Hello and welcome to Season 1, Episode 4 of
Let's open it up and see what we get. Crack the pack and hope for the best.
As you could have guessed, for the 4th episode we go with the 4th set, Ursula's Return. So let's open it up and see if we can hit a pull out of this one. So we got a Dancing Stitch, Mulan, Dolores Madrigal, Make the Potion, Pascal, Mickey Mouse, Daisy Duck, Triton's Trident, Nessus, Be King Undisputed, Yensid, yes sir! Let's go, there's our first legendary. We should do that more often. And for the foyer, it's the blank. Not a bad pack at all, and we even got one of the promo cards that's missing. With the 8 new cards in the pack, we increase our collection by 8%, bringing it up to 30. And with the Yensid, we can even tick a legendary off the list. So let's get the card into the right place in the binder. If you enjoyed today's episode, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks and see you in the next one.